Hello everyone, welcome back to Blackboard Fridays with Kru Nam Speak Thai Possible. Today is the episode 3 and we are going to talk about rules behind these 4 words. Actually, some of you might already know how to pronounce these 4 words correctly with the right tone, but you know it just because you learn the word, you hear it and you memorize it, but you don't actually really know the rules behind it. How do we pronounce this word that way? Today, I'm going to explain everything. Okay, the topic that we're learning today is leading consonant. Words with leading consonant means there are 2 initial consonants and they don't pronounce together. Don't get confused with cluster. Word with cluster has 2 initial consonants as well, but the second initial consonant are รอเรือ ลอลิง or วอแหวน and they pronounce together. But leading consonant is something else, okay? We will talk about the form and the pronunciation. Let's have a look at the form. So, 2 initial consonants, what can it be? The first and the second. The first initial consonant can be any letter from middle class consonant or from high class consonant, followed by letter from low class consonant unpair group. Unpair group means it's the group that the letter has no sound pair with the high class. There are 10 of them. งองูยอหญิงนอนหนูยอยักษ์นอนเนนรอเรือวอแหวนมอม้าลอลิงลอจุฬา These are low class letters unpaired group. Okay, so when you see this combination, they are word with leading consonant. And when it comes to pronunciation, you need to pronounce them into 2 syllables. The first syllable, you pronounce them with a sound, but unstressed a, not strong a. That means the first word, สนุก we pronounce as สะ and then ทะ ตะ and สะ. And with this combination, the first initial consonant actually determine the tone rules of the second syllable. But if I explain it like this, it sounds very complicated. I like to put it this way. For the second syllable, you just need to pronounce it as if there is หอหีบ preceding it. Like this. So you add หอหีบ then it become หนุก with low tone or หนนถนน or add หอหีบตลก okay สนุกถนนตลก so you pronounce them as if there's หอหีบ preceding it. If you don't add หอหีบ then it will sound like สนุก with high tone. That is wrong. Or without หอหีบ for the word ถนน it become ถนน wrong. Or without หอหีบ the third word become ตลก ตลก yeah, it's wrong. But if you notice the word สบาย the first initial consonant is high class, but the second initial consonant is middle class. It doesn't fall into this combination. In this case, you don't need to add หอหีบ at the second syllable. Let's say the first initial consonant doesn't determine the tone rule of the second syllable. That's why you just pronounce สบาย just pronounce each syllable separately. Okay, to make sure that you understand everything, let me recap. I give you some words and then you tell me how to pronounce them. The first word, oops. So we need to pronounce it as พยาน Why? Because พอพาน is low class and ยอยักษ์ is low class. It doesn't fall into the first combination that I show you. That means you just need to add สระอะ after the first initial consonant and then you pronounce the second syllable normal. พยาน Okay. What else? This word. ตลาด ตลาด. So ต่อเต่า is a middle class consonant and ลอลิง is low class consonant. So it's fall into that combination. That means you need to pronounce as ตะ and add หอยหีบ ตลาด with low tone both ตลาด what about this? Delicious. ออ่าง is middle class consonant. รอเรือ low class consonant is fall into in that combination. So you pronounce อะร่อยอร่อย Last for today. This word. ทอทหาร is low class consonant. หอหีบ high class consonant. It doesn't fall into that combination. That means you pronounce two syllables separately. First add สระอะ at the first syllable ทะ and then the second syllable pronounce normally. ทหาร ทหาร soldier. Yeah, that's all for today. I hope I clear things up for you. If you have any questions, just leave in the comment and I will come to answer your questions. Alright, that's all. Please stay tuned for the next episode, episode 4, because I'm talking about the confused รอเรือ because we can use รอเรือ in many ways. Okay, thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye ค่ะ